What's up, you guys? It's your girl Bosslikeangie, and I'm back with a video. Guys, check out my other video, my coquito video that I just did. Cause I just did that video. Now I'm doing this video. So Miss Dolly Parton, she's been blowing up. And I gotta say, I really think it has to do with the Kardashians. My girl Chloe, yes. No, I know for Chloe's birthday she had a Dolly Parton themed birthday party, and it was like Dolly Parton cake. It was beautiful, and I didn't try her cake yet, but I do have a pancake mix. I do have her cornbread mix. I'm gonna, if you guys want to see a video on that, I can do a video on that. Let me know. But today we're here for the fabulously double fudge brownie mix. So let's get into it. So what does it say we need? You will need 1 large egg, okay, half a cup of melted butter, and 3 tablespoons of milk. So you guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by melting half a cup of melted butter in a pan. I'm gonna use unsalted butter when I'm baking. I use unsalted butter. If I'm a Land O'Lakes girl, I don't know about you guys, I'm a Land O'Lakes girl for everything, like their cheese, their butter. What else they finna make? Anyway, you guys, let's get into it. So first, I'm gonna melt my butter up, and let's do that. All right, you guys. So lucky for me, my Land O'Lakes unsalted butter, I'm gonna use. I was like, shoot, because first of all, the measurements are on the back, so I didn't realize, like, I knew that, but I didn't realize that in the moment. So anyway, you guys, I have the half stick version, or not the half, you know what I mean, like a little mini version. So this is 1/4 cup. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, and make sure y'all preheat your oven to 350. Yeah, 350. So I just preheated my oven, it's ready, but I'm not ready. So it's gonna have to wait. But it's preheated and it's ready for me. I'm gonna mix together 2 of these because 1/4 cup and 1/4 cup equals half a cup. So we're gonna stir that up and melt that up. We're gonna melt that up. Alright, you guys, so I got my butter in here. I'm gonna just let her melt. I'm gonna stir her occasionally. Ooh. As she melts. No need to be alarmed. I got a gas oven, y'all. And I actually think gas ovens, let me know if you guys think that gas ovens actually cook your food better. I think it does than electric ovens. I notice the taste is better. They both work amazingly. But I notice the taste, like I taste the food slightly more, I don't know how to explain it, from a gas stove. So yeah. Okay, so that's melted up. In the meantime, you guys, while that's melting up, I'm going to need my, it says to knead, what did it say? Yeah, this is what it say. It say, yeah. Sorry, yeah. Alright, it says, alright, mix. Stir brownie mix, egg, melted butter, milk, and contents of fudge packet together in large bowl until well blended, about 50 strokes. Spread into greased pan and bake immediately. Immediately, okay. Oh, I forgot what size pan I got, y'all. Hold on. See, that's the annoying thing. You gotta know what kind of pan you got and things. I got the regular, I got the 8x8, I think. Alright, guys, so that butter's gonna melt up. Let's melt it up on low. Ooh. Oh, she's melted. Alright, you guys, so I have my egg, I have my 3 tablespoons of milk, so I'm gonna pour that in. I have my melted butter, that was on the stove. Oops, almost spilled. Kind of spilled a little. We're gonna pour that in too. Oh yeah, look at that. And you guys, it says to make sure that you just punch the bag. I need it. It says need fudge packet 15 times before opening. So you guys just make sure you need the fudge packet before you put it in there. But I'm gonna stir brownie mix, my egg, my melted butter, my milk, and the fudge packet all together in here until well blended, about 50 strokes. And then we're gonna grease our pan with some pan spray. And yeah, here we go. Alright, so I needed the fudge packet, you guys. I'm gonna put it in. We're gonna put this in with the rest of that because we're gonna put this in, you guys, with the rest of this since it's been kneaded. Oh, you guys, it's so it's gooey. Oh, it's gooey. Just squeeze as much as you can in there. And then we'll grease our pan with some pan cooking spray. I'm gonna use an 8x8. After I stir this up, I'm gonna use my special whisker. I can't whisk it on camera because I don't want to damage the camera with everything flying everywhere, but I'm gonna whisk it. I'm gonna whisk it all together, you guys. Alright. Alright, you guys, this is what it looks like after you stir everything well blended, about 50 strokes all together. And then we're going to take our 8x8 pan, or you could use, it says a 9x9, so 8x8 or 9x9, either one it says. I'm going to take my pan, I'm going to grease it up with some pan cooking spray, pour that in, and bake immediately. I'm a bake man on this. Oh, it says right here, bake on rack in center of oven. I was just going to say I'm a big one in the center. Alright, beautiful. I'm a big man in the center. Let's do it, y'all. I'm trying to let y'all see some of it going in there, but I can't hold the camera and pour it in there, so I'm gonna pour it in there. Alright, you guys, so I'm spreading it. You just want to spread it into the pan. It looks so good. It looks like it's ready and it's not even in there yet. So, yeah. But don't it look like it's ready? I want to bite right now. But my friends are going to try it out. They're going to let me know because I'm going to a New Year's Eve party. If I can hurry up and finish this up. So, 8x8 pan, we're going to put this in the oven for 32 to 35 minutes, you guys. 32 to 35 minutes. I'm going to probably do 35. All right. Whoa. Ooh. Alright, y'all, I just set my timer at 35 minutes. See you in 35 minutes. Alright, you guys, so we're taking it out the oven. It's been 35 minutes. That looks amazing. I cannot wait to dive in. Okay, you guys, and there you have it. This is our Dolly Parton's Fabulously Double Fudge Brownie Mix. Wow, this is, it looks delicious. I'm going to wait until I go to my Christmas party in the next 30 minutes. I'm gonna head out to my Christmas party and my friends are all gonna try this. So I'm gonna wrap this up and I'm gonna wait because you have to wait till it cools down, guys, before you cut it, or else I would have cut it up and then brought it and definitely tried a piece. But I'm gonna see if I can sneak a piece of me eating it on video for you guys later. Alright, you guys, there you have it. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah. So you guys stay tuned to see my reaction of this brownie. It looks so good. I wouldn't wait if I didn't have to, but I gotta wait because it's for my friends. So here I go, you guys. But I'm wishing you all happy holidays. Happy holiday season. All right, you guys. So it's literally like 4:30 in the morning. I just came back from my Christmas Eve party. Shout out to Stanley. That was a good party, okay? I have the brownie that I told you guys about that I said, oh, everybody's gonna try them or whatever. They loved them, by the way. I got raving reviews. For the ones I got to try, because we didn't bring the brownies out until the end, but I did sneak a piece for you guys. And I just promise, delicious. Delicious. Dolly Parton, she did her thing. And it was quick and easy too tonight. I'm not usually a sweet tooth girl, but pretty good and delicious. Alright, you guys. Time to go to bed because it's like almost 5 in the morning, so